Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Mommy, say hi to the Gapsters. Gapsters.
Hello, Gapsters. How are you?
Mommy is trying to tie up the car. The beast is back.
Gapsters!
This one is back. Everybody is back. We're going to the rurals to do some rural things. Look at us, look at us. Is the fear in your eyes, my child? Look at us. Oh, this one is hurt. This one. Keep quiet. We did it. Oh, I could shame. Don't run. I just thought we had to move our journey. We did it! Yay! We did it! It's done, we're over. Custom bite. And there was no bull up. Pass up. Yeah, but it. You could have broken your leg. Have you ever picked berries? Hey? No, there's berries here. And this tree. Don't fall. There's a berry tree.
My friends and I used to play with this stuff.
There they are. There they are. Are there more there? On your left.
On my right.
And on your left.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see them pops now.
Yeah? Let's get some for Coco. Ah! The black ones are ripe. Then the red ones, they're still nice though. They've got like a zing.
Are you eating them?
Yeah. What do you mean?
How much is it?
Red and black. Red ones or black ones? No. Wash them for what? Are you not going to squeeze them in your hand? They're nice. They zing. The red ones are zingy. But these ones are not juicy. It's not wet enough here. Yeah. Yeah. This one. They can get bigger and juicier. This is my favorite berry in the whole wide world.
I like the mangoes.
Yeah.
All of these are ripe.
Mm. They're like plums. You know how a plum you can pick it up green and then it gets black and black and blacker?
Oh.
Mm. It's only these ones that aren't ripe. Yeah, but
Okay.
these ones are not ripe. They're still green. But once it goes red, it's edible. Okay, up, let's go. Let's take some for Coco.
Yeah, fine. No.
Let's pick some for Coco. Ooh. Oh my god, look at this. What is this?
I saw it.
It's a mushroom of sorts. Really odd. Just looks like an ear, looks like syrup, looks like air ting. Okay, I think the cows are gone. Let us vamos. Vamos! Are you ready, Mahana? Look at her Instagramming. Look at her Instagram live. She's taking rooftop pictures.
Should I see?
Try.
This is what we do.
Is that what you did?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go, Hanban.
Do you want to make a wish?
Oh yeah, I used to make a wish. Hey. Look at that Instagram live.
Can I give these to you? Mine is dying.
We have gathered food. We have foraged through the forests of Swaziland, through the hills and the valleys. And we have food, ladies and gentlemen. Look at how pretty these berries are. Life.
Make a wish.
I wish, I wish, I wish. There.
Yeah, happy.
Yeah. I bring food. Okay, I ate the rest, Mama.
Okay.
Managa, ate the juice.